Hey y'all, so today I have swatches and comparisons for the Lights Lacquer Polished Gems collection. Each polish is based on a gemstone, and from the Lights Lacquer website I have what they represent or what they mean if you're into that kind of thing. So let's get into it. First up is Ruby, which is described as a deep burgundy with red glitter flakes. And Ruby encourages love, inner strength, and passion. This is a really dark base, and it's one of those that's going to look, in most lighting it's going to look almost black, but when those red glitter flakes catch the light, it is so pretty. And here's the second coat. You can see those glitter flakes kind of catching the light a little bit. And here's the completed mani. This is Ruby, 2 coats plus top coat. First up for comparisons, I have Kale Polished Scorpio. It's a little hard to tell in the picture, but these are kind of similar in color. I mean, the formulas are completely different. Scorpio is a little bit brighter, but that's the closest thing I had to Ruby. And here I have a few other just Ruby polishes that I have. From Savvy and Chic, which is an indie brand, there's Ruby, and then from China Glaze, there's Ruby Pumps. Next up we have Emerald, which is described as a rich jewel-toned green with a slight teal undertone. And Emerald encourages growth, reflection, peace, and balance. This was a one coater for me. And here is the completed mani, 1 coat plus top coat. And for comparisons, I have OPI Stay Off the Lawn and SE Stripes and Sails. No dupes here. I thought that Stay Off the Lawn would be more similar, but it is a little bit lighter. Next up, we have Alexandrite, which is described as a purple with an intense blue iridescent shift. And here's the second coat. Of course, I flooded my cuticle. And here is the third coat of Alexandrite. And here's the completed mani, 3 coats plus top coat. And for comparisons, I have OPI Russian Navy and OPI Turn on the Northern Lights. These are all kind of similar polishes. They're kind of like blurples with glitter, but definitely no dupes. Next up, we have Amethyst, which is described as a deep purple with rainbow shimmers. Amethyst relieves stress, provides peace, and spiritual intuition. This was also a one coater for me. This is a little thick, which makes it as opaque as it is. If it was a little more of a jelly-like formula, you would get more of that, as they're calling, rainbow shimmer or hollow glitter. And here I'm trying to show it with the light from my phone, just so you can kind of see that hollow a little bit better. And here's the completed mani, 1 coat plus top coat. And here it is with flash. Again, I was trying to show that hollow glitter a little bit. For comparisons, I have Zoya Finley and Zoya Aurora, which are part of their Scattered Hollows line. Finley is pretty close in color to Amethyst, but the formulas are very different. Finley and Aurora are more jelly-like formulas, so you get that hollow a little bit stronger than you do in Amethyst. Next up, we have Smokey Quartz, which is described as a dark taupe with rose copper shimmer. Smokey Quartz is grounding and soul healing. It's looking a little brown on camera right now, but it is more taupey gray. And this was also a one coater for me. And here's the completed mani, one coat plus top coat. For comparisons, I have Essie Socialites and Lights Lacquer Rosy. These are all very different. Socialites is pretty similar in the formula and the shimmer that's in it, but it's much lighter. And last up we have Citrine, which is described as a metallic gold with a slight sprinkle of gold glitter. Citrine removes negativity, promotes happiness and success. And here's the second coat. It wasn't completely opaque for me on 2 coats, so I am going to do a third. You could just see my nail line a little bit still. And here's the completed mani, 3 coats plus top coat. I don't really have any metallic golds that are like this. So for comparisons, I have Zoya Astrid and Lights Lacquer Girl Power. Both of these are much more of a glitter polish as opposed to a metallic polish with a little bit of glitter in it. And that is the Lights Lacquer Polished Gems collection. Overall, I really like this. There were 3 that were one coaters for me. I like that they're doing some different finishes and some different formulas, and they're not just all creams. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.